The idea of a community of students is so important. The exhibition 30 by 30 at the Brewery Tap in Folkestone, the UCA project space, began as an idea to give the FE students in the fine art pathway a bit of first-hand experience of mounting an exhibition. Right from developing the idea for the exhibition through to selecting work and curating the exhibition and mounting it in the space. We decided that it might be particularly good for them to work alongside BA students on the fine art programme here at Canterbury, and a number of BA students put themselves forward to get involved. We thought second years already have had a number of experiences of mounting work for the public, both on campus and organised their own off-site shows. The FE students met with the BA students and discussed ideas, and initially the 30 by 30 idea was originally an idea of a size constraint of 30 centimetres by 30 centimetres that would allow us to get a lot of work into the space, but after a little bit of discussion we decided that could be opened up to interpretation. We really asked the students to take the lead. All the academic staff, myself, Gabriel and Ian, all asked the students to think about how we would make it happen. With the help of Peter Hoffer working with the second years, we tried to facilitate the process as much as possible rather than take the lead. And that worked really well. The BA students really were incredible. They worked with the FE students, coming up with an idea for how we could organise the work that still worked with the integrity of the theme, laid the work out and really worked very hard to draw all of the FE students into the discussion. The students came away from that really excited by the possibilities that had emerged, realising what factors would impact on how their work was seen, and how, if you place the work in a thoughtful way, that it can open work up to a more interesting reading than if you just focus on your own work. We had a day to get the exhibition up. The students invigilated the gallery space for the week, and we had a closing event on the Friday, which was incredibly well attended. The second year and third year BA students who weren't necessarily involved in the project all kind of turned up to support their peers, and I think it really is things like that that are some of the kind of most important lessons that the FE students have to learn, is the importance of that collective initiative and mutual support. The work came down at the beginning of the following week and was brought over to the Herbert Reed, and the students were involved in the same process again, curating and organising the interim exhibition in the Herbert Reed and in the public spaces at UCA. And what we noticed immediately was that how keen they were to kind of voice their opinions, to take a more active role in the process of selecting the work and what worked next to what and why. So from at every level, it was really valuable.